Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinwe and it's Easter, and happy Easter to you all. And it is my prayer that the resurrection of Christ will put to rest the turbulence in the world right now, and this too shall pass. Today's video is on full face makeup and it's soft glam featuring natural hair. And please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click on the bell so that when there's an upload, you'll be the first to get it. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and share to your friends and leave me a comment. Okay, so I'll see you soon. Bye. I'm going to prep my face, okay, and I'm going to be doing it using my rose water. Zikel Photo Fix Primer, so I'm going to be using it under my milk of magnesia. I have to use this because my face is oily. Flawless Ivy foundation is next. Yes, and the shade is Honey 600. Next thing I'm going to apply is my LA Girl Pro Concealer to conceal the flaws that I have on my face. Okay, so before I apply my foundation, now. So I just go from downward strokes upwards and just build. In fact, I love the consistency of this foundation. You just keep applying until you're good. Just going to use my blending foam now to dab in and just give it a more natural finish. Okay, if you have not watched my video on how to apply foundation, you can go back and watch it. All right. So I just push it in. LA Girl concealer for highlighting, and this shade is cool tan. Yeah, so I'm just going to apply like this, creating a triangle. Then on my nose, my forehead as well. Okay, so I'm just going to allow this to sit for some time. Using LA Girl, and this shade is dark coca. I'm going to be using this to contour my face. Okay, around my forehead, and then my nose ridge. To blend in now. Okay, so we'll be using this brush to blend out my nose. Just blend it. I love how it's coming out. So this is my powder palette. I'm going to be using this shade. my forehead. Okay, we'll be using a light powder shade, that's this one, to highlight. So I think in a subsequent video I'm going to talk about highlighting, contour and highlighting. I'm going to talk about them. Yeah, so you wouldn't want to miss it, okay? Yes. And then my nose ridge as well. Oh, hello. Yes, Davis Eye 03. That's what I'm going to be using. I have a video on eyebrow tutorial, okay, so you can also check it out as well. So your pencil needs to be very sharp. The concealer in the shade Fawn to clean up my eyebrows, okay, and this is my brush. Eyeshadow primer to be the base for my eyeshadow, okay. So I just dab. It's the Warrior by Juvia, okay? So all I'll be using is this. Okay, so when applying my eyeshadow, I like to just get my eyes up so that I can see the sockets, okay? I'm just going to keep applying it because I want to intensify it. The next color I'll be using is this one, okay. Looks like white, yeah, but it's not white. I think it's off-white also, yeah. At the beginning. Using this color is gold, yeah, at the end of it. Okay, wow. Okay, so I'll be using this dark color. Okay, wow, so you can see how here is looking really good. I like the effect. I'm also going to use this color here to smoke my under eye like this. Okay. The lashes I'm using today is by Huda Beauty. Yes. Okay, so it's time for lips, and I'm using Covergirl, and it's 230 Captivate. Covergirl and a darker shade, so I'm just going to add it up. Adding nude to it. Yeah. Wow, this is blueberry lip gloss. Okay, wow. Yes, I love brush off the powder I used in highlighting in my powder shade. Okay, and this one to set. Wow, this is beautiful. Wow. Please just start dropping your comments. Tell me how I look in the comment section, please. Now I'm going to take this down to my neck. Oh wow. Yes, it's Easter actually, and even though it's a lockdown here, it's still important for us to, you know, mark this day, you know, and just look good, and you know, while you're home. Okay, so it's just going to make you feel good about yourself, and you know, be happy despite, you know, what is going on, you know, around the world. Yeah, I'm going to bronze my face, and I'm using the bronzer from this palette by Blossom Makeup. Wow. Yeah. And then my nose. This is nice. And then my jaw, my head. So for my blush, I'm going to be using this one. Yes, from Juvia's Place palette. So this is the finished look, and I love it. It's a soft glam with my natural hair. And please leave me your comments, okay? And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Click on the button and turn on your notification bell so that when there's an upload, you'll be the first to get it, okay? And invite your friends here. It's going to mean the world to me. And again, do not forget to share as well and give the video a thumbs up. And before I go, I want you to stay safe, stay healthy, stay lifted, stay strong. These are difficult times, and I know that these too will pass, okay? And again, I want you to know that happiness is largely a choice. And this is Chinwe. I'll see you again. Bye, and happy Easter.